Hi, although I specialize in women's clothing, I've decided to add men's coats to my repertoire. You can come to see me or in Vancouver, Canada, or you can send me a 3D body scan and I can create you the perfect coat. Design, cut, color, fabric, all up to you. This coat is made out of a 780 gram cashmere wool blend. It's thick, it's luxe, it's perfect for a cold climate like Canada. I was inspired by Peaky Blinders when I created this style. I love the sophistication and old world tradition of bespoke made clothing. The buttons were customized, 3D printed. You can have them any style that you like, perhaps your logo. This one is made out of a black stainless steel. I can offer silver or gold. The lining was created to reflect the button, customized, personalized. It's made out of a stretch silk, perfect for comfort. I build my coats on hair canvas if you like. It keeps the shape of the lapel. It will never lay flat, always lofty and sophisticated. This is my men's coat.